our backs. And it makes our backs feel better. And when kids are feeling good, we like to go. We like being here, and we like to go practicing. And we're talking about Dr. Pamer. And
So what do you get at the end after you get adjusted? What do you guys get?
When we're done getting adjusted, we get to choose our stickers. I get that sticker. And that's what.
And what do you think about Amy at the front desk?
We play. She gives us stickers, and she's.
What do you think about her?
I think about her about when we get our stickers and when our moms and dads, when our mommy is getting a dentist, we talk about something when we get our stickers.
You love talking?
When we get a prize.
Is she nice?
Yeah. And we get prizes.
Do you like Dr. Pamer?
Yeah. And that's what we like in Dr. Pamer.